Have you ever wondered how long humans could survive on other planets in our solar system? Well, today we're going to explore the top 10 facts about just that. From boiling hot temperatures to freezing cold conditions, each planet presents unique challenges for human survival. Fact 1. First up, let's take a look at Mars. With a thin atmosphere and low gravity, Mars has a harsh environment for human life. But with the right technology and equipment, humans could potentially survive on Mars for up to several years. Fact 2. Next, let's travel to Venus. Known for its scorching hot temperatures and toxic atmosphere, Venus is not a hospitable place for humans. In fact, humans would only survive a few minutes on the planet's surface before succumbing to the extreme conditions. Fact 3. Now, let's head over to Jupiter's moon, Europa. With a subsurface ocean of liquid water, scientists believe that Europa could potentially support life. However, the harsh radiation environment on the moon's surface would make it challenging for humans to survive for more than a few days. Fact 4. Moving on to Saturn's largest moon, Titan. This moon has a thick atmosphere and is the only other place in our solar system with liquid on its surface, albeit it is liquid methane. While humans could not breathe Titan's atmosphere, they could potentially survive on the moon's surface with the right protective gear for a few weeks to several months. Fact 5. Next up, the harsh environment on the surface of the moon would only allow humans to survive for a few days, with no atmosphere to protect them from radiation and extreme temperature fluctuations. However, underground lava tubes on the moon could provide a more hospitable environment for human habitation in the future. Fact 6. Now, let's travel to the icy dwarf planet Pluto. Humans would only be able to survive for a few hours due to its extreme cold and lack of atmosphere. However, recent discoveries suggest that there may be a subsurface ocean on Pluto, which could potentially harbor life in some form. Fact 7. Moving closer to the Sun, let's explore the planet Mercury. The smallest planet in our solar system has a thin atmosphere and extreme temperatures that can range from -180 degrees Celsius to 430 degrees Celsius. Humans could potentially survive on Mercury's surface for a few minutes in some of the more temperate areas near the poles, but the lack of breathable air and extreme temperature fluctuations would make it very challenging. Fact 8. Now, let's travel to the gas giant Uranus. The seventh planet from the Sun has a frigid and mostly hydrogen atmosphere with traces of methane. Due to the extreme cold temperatures and lack of breathable air, humans would only be able to survive on Uranus for a few hours. Fact 9. Next, let's take a look at Neptune. The eighth and farthest planet from the Sun has a mostly hydrogen and helium atmosphere with traces of methane that give it a blue color. Due to the extremely cold temperatures and lack of breathable air, humans would only be able to survive on Neptune for a few hours. Fact 10. Finally, let's explore the possibilities of human survival on the dwarf planet. Ceres is a dwarf planet located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. It has a rocky surface and a thin atmosphere, and its temperature can vary between -93 degrees Celsius and -40 degrees Celsius. Humans would be able to survive on Ceres for a few days with proper equipment and supplies, but the lack of breathable air and extreme temperature fluctuations would make it very challenging. And that's a wrap on our top 10 facts about how long humans could survive on different planets. Who knows, maybe someday we'll be able to explore and colonize some of these amazing worlds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more space-related content.